What is up, everybody? How's your guys' let's see here, Wednesday, I believe? Yes, it's gonna be Wednesday afternoon. You guys see this ride. We're out here on the Supermoto KOX 300, enjoying this nice weather. On this nice day. Let's see here. What way do we want to go? I think we want to turn around. Here, actually, yeah, I'm gonna let you come past me. I'm gonna turn around. We're gonna go down a different road. We're gonna go down this way. There's a pretty cool road down here that I want to ride on with you guys. It's actually a real nice road to ride down. It's raining all day Wednesday, so I don't know if we're gonna be able to get our evening ride in. I'm recording this video on Tuesday for you guys, but it's gonna be raining pretty much the whole day Wednesday, so we might be able to just get an afternoon ride in. I got a few video ideas that I am making for you guys that's gonna be really cool, so make sure you subscribe to the channel and have the bell notification button turned on so you don't miss out on those video uploads. Because trust me, they're gonna be good ones. I am in the process of making the KOXS or the Z400 versus the KOX 300 SM. I'm in the process of making that video for you guys, and then I'm doing another review on the Z400, something along that line. So got a few very interesting videos coming up for you guys. Look at this road, guys. It's so nice, chill, calm. I love it. Like, look at this. It's just perfect. Probably get off and take a thumbnail. I don't know how comfortable I feel about doing it on this road. I kind of want to. I actually really want to. We're gonna do it real fast. Real quick little thumbie. Hopefully nobody comes. Just 1, 2, 3 type thing. All right, let's go. This road is real cool. I kind of want to go this way now. I actually do. Hold on, we're gonna go straight. I never been down this way. I think I smacked my shin on my exhaust when I was throwing my leg over the bike. I'll be fine, but might have been the plastic. And it was not long, it was just like a tap, so I should be fine. It's not like I stuck my hand on it. Feeling this road was going to be nice too, considering it was right across from the one we was just on. Wow, it's nice back here, guys. I'm glad I came this way. I'm glad I brought you guys with me this way. I hope you guys are enjoying the view just as much as I am, because it is beautiful. And I like to try to make these rides for you guys. So I really do hope you guys enjoy them. How far does this road go? I'm gonna want to turn around soon. Just so beautiful back here. I just keep going. This was definitely worth it, wouldn't you guys say? Where are we coming out by? Where is this? Do I know? Or are we turning around? Hold on. Think, Mike. Shall we risk it for a biscuit and go left? Oh, there's cars behind us. Oh, we're gonna go right. I don't know. To be honest, guys, I really don't know where I'm at. I think she had a full tank of gas, if I'm correct. I won't know until a gas light goes on. And I'm trying not to have that happen when I'm all the way back here. Should we go back down that road, guys? What should we do? Something's telling me to turn around and go back down that road so we're safe. Because that was a long road too. Yeah, there's like construction right here and that's really it. And I'm not trying to get the bike dirty. So no, I'm not going in there. I'm sorry. I'd rather keep her clean. Okay. Wow. Wow. Oh boy. See, I like to know where this way leads us to. I just don't want to go too far and then need gas. not my idea. Let's see here. What's this road? I want to go back left. I kind of do. Here, how about we just go straight real quick? Just real quick. We'll come back and go down that road again. But let's just... I want to just see what's up here. Maybe I'll find my way back to town. Wait a sec. Hold on. Got a Culver's. I'd like to know if this is Algonquin, or no, this can't be Algonquin. Or could it? I think I know where we're at, kinda. I think we're by Carpenterville. If I'm correct, I'm not sure. Because I think I feel like I remember this car wash right here. There's a Walmart. Guys, I'm turning around. We're going back down that road. I feel like I know where we're at, but I want to be safe if I need gas, you know. Alright, so this is where I feel like we're at. I feel like if we go that way, that's going to lead you to East Dundee. And I feel like if we go straight down that way, it's going to lead us out by Palatine and Schaumburg, I think. I'm not sure, to be honest, but I'm pretty sure that's where we're at. Because I'm pretty sure I've been on this road before. And I'm pretty sure if I keep going, like I get on the main road right there and I keep going that way, it's going to lead us to Dundee and Carpenterville. But the issue about that is, what if the bike needs gas all of a sudden? I'm sorry, this KXL 300 Supermoto, one thing I don't like about it is it don't have a gas gauge. So you don't know where you need gas. It just kind of, a light goes on and then you look in the tank and you're like, well, I need gas fast, or okay, I think I can make it to a gas station, or okay, this is gonna be tough. You know, that type of scenario. So we're gonna come back here, we're gonna go right, and we're gonna maybe go down that way another time on the Z400, on the bike that I can actually tell how much gas we have in it. How long have we been recording for? I want to see. I'm sorry about the camera angle, it's kind of down right now, but hold on. I want to see how long we've been recording for. Do you guys mind if it's a long ride, or do you mind it? Like, do you mind the length of the video? All right, let's see here. I'm gonna put it in neutral. I'm gonna lift up my pants real quick. Yeah, I should be fine. We're going on 13 minutes. All right, for sure. So it's not that bad. I thought it was gonna be like 20 or something. So yeah, let's go down this road, and then I'm gonna record a Wednesday evening's ride too, because it's gonna rain. And I'm just gonna hope that Thursday, or should we do, hold on. Should we just do Thursday afternoon's ride just in case? I think we should. Alright, so this is what we do. We'll go around this road right here again, because it's such a nice road. And then we're gonna do Thursday afternoon's ride, just in case we can't get out Wednesday, you know. And at least you guys have a ride for Wednesday, and then you'll have a ride for Thursday too. So, because I know it's gonna rain all Wednesday, and then Thursday, and then I think Friday, Saturday, Sunday is gonna be really hot. So, with no rain. So, I just want to be safe, you know. And then if there's a time where it's not raining, and we get out and record Wednesday evening's ride, then we'll do that. But at least we'll have Thursday afternoons, because I know I won't be able to go out Wednesday. So, it'd be better to have a ride on both dates than just 2 rides on one day and no ride on another, you know. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm really curious to see where that road leads. I'm pretty sure I know where it goes. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do, guys. So be sure you subscribe to the channel and have the bell notification button select to all, so you guys don't miss out on a video upload, you know, because I'm gonna grab the Z400 on another day and we're gonna come down the same route and we're gonna go all the way down there and we're gonna we're gonna take that road all the way down, so on the main road. So yeah, we'll be doing that in another video. Maybe that video will be called taking my Kawasaki Z400 on a road trip. And of course the videos I told you guys I'm working on, those will be, I'll make sure to have those made in the next week or so. Or next few days or something like that. Next week or something. But I'm not gonna lie, guys, I love this road. How do you guys like it? Ooh, gravel, 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 gravel. I hate gravel. Yep, sorry cars, I had to slow down. Gravel and bikes do not get along unless it's a dirt bike and you're in the dirt or you get contraction. Another fellow motorcycle mate enjoying this nice road. Alright, we're gonna pull over here real quick. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that video, that ride. That was interesting, and I'm gonna get off this guy's property. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.